Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just the other day I did a video on this, and I stated in the video that it takes away from the eagle and the symbols. And he finally replied and said he really wants the eagle on front. So I came up with this idea. The eagle is more prevalent, but you can still see the font. So all I did is took his font and I left click, right click to make an outline. And I put it, it's transparent, I put it on top, and then kind of painstakingly take your smart fill tool, set on black or whatever color he decides, and fill in, and it will not cover up the red, and it'll stop at the lines of the font. So you just got to go through there and get all these lines. And I think it looks pretty good. I think it makes it really stand out. You just want to make sure you don't miss any lines, and we can always take away those lines here in a second, but you want to get them all so it does look like a font or text. And if you kind of do one section at a time while it's zoomed in, you might be able to do a better job. See, I'm getting as much as I can see in the window, and you get like that little part right there. So it still looks like the A. So I think I've got all this. Now I'll zoom out, zoom back in and get the smart fill tool and fill in the little voids. And we will take away those lines so they won't be showing up through the red here in just a second. I think we can select just the font, and well, I know we can. I just did it. But you can really, like these areas, you've got to do like this. I'm hoping this is going to something he was thinking about or wanting to do. It's a little painstakingly, and you might even be able to do it front minus back. I'll have to try that again. I didn't like the look, but it would almost have to work now that I think about it, because we'll try it. Let me go ahead and finish this just in case this is acceptable. Just get all your in between the lines and in between the reds, and we're almost done. And a few more, but make sure you get everything so it'll look like the squareness of the font. And I think I've got it. So if I figure out a faster way, I'll post another video. Oh, let's take away the lines so they won't be going through there. So just select your, well, really you gotta select the eagle is all together. You can see that. And so if I just select the font and not get all the eagle, I can right click, no outline, and then those lines that were going through the red are gone. I personally think that would, I'm guessing he's printing this. I'm thinking that's going to look pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.